Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and right now on this video I'm going to show you how to resolve the problem with the wind noise on your Dji Osmo Pocket. As you can see, obviously that's a problem, and either way you can connect an external microphone, but not in all cases it can stay connected to the device. So in this scenario I'm going to show you real quick how to make your own muffle with some other brand protection for your microphone. So in this case I'm gonna show you right now. This right here is the muffle, the wind protection from the Rode Microphone Micro. So in case you have another one sitting around, in my case I do. I have two microphones micro. The one that comes with the 3.5 cable connection, and the one that goes with the lightning port for the iPhone. In that case I stuck with the new muffle and used the old one, so you know, why damage the new one? And the new one I can also use it with both microphones in case I need it. So in that case I took the old muffle right here, and with a knife I cut through the bottom, and this has two like muffles, if you will. This one that you can see right here, and on the inside there's another one, like a little bit like tougher, a little bit thicker one. So that one you have to stick it out and cut it down with the scissors, so you can pass it through this Osmo Pocket holder from Polar Pro that has a quarter thread on the bottom and on the side. So as you can see, you can use like an extension rod and hold it right here. So in that case you need the knife to cut through and the scissors to cut on the inside muffle. And real life test right here. I'm touching right here, so you can see this is the microphone. Wind noise test. That's a light one. Let's go with a stronger one. Blowing harder. As you can see, well, it takes the wind noise and lowers it down. So for me this is great. I mean, I can use the extension rod, I can use the Polar Pro holder. This kind of protection is like, it's funny. I know you have the dead cat style microphone right there and the gimbal inside of it, so it's gonna be funny. But either way, you got the extension, so you can vlog outside with the wind protection, so there won't be any problem. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Any questions, suggestions, just let me know. This is the tutorial how to do it. So take care. See ya.